Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off predictive text on the keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, some users may find predictive text intrusive or distracting and prefer to type without it. And also, turning off predictive text allows users to have full control over the words they input without suggestions appearing automatically. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you can click on settings icon placed at the top of the keyboard. Okay, so on this page, you can turn off predictive text. Okay, so now the predictive text on your keyboard is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off predictive text on the keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.